So the name of the company is Play Make Believe, and my name's Louise Conaghan. I'm the owner of the company, I suppose. And today what I'm showing you is the costume. It's all made out of recycled materials. Everything has been reused, and we're telling the story of Ireland. So it's the idea of being a story weaver. So it's Éire who's the character, and she's weaving all the stories of Ireland together using different materials, but also telling all the different stories from Christianity right back on through to pagan and the Celtic goddesses and all the rest of it. But it's talking about Ireland down through the ages, and basically I'm asking the audience, is there any questions they have about things, and then I'm just full of stories, so it's telling them as much as I possibly can.